What up, dipshits? It's Uncle Stitch. Today we'll be doing a taste test of a product called Bird Dog Black Cherry. I've had the peach, but I wasn't a big fan of the peach. They have like an apple one, and I think it's blackberry. I've had the apple and the peach. I haven't had the blackberry. Wasn't super impressed. Up here where I live, it only costs like 16 bucks or something. Let me cut this open real quick. Damn it. If you're a scared motherfucker, go to church. If you're a dirt. Wait a minute, how did that go? If you a gutter motherfucker, do put in dirt or some shit. I don't fucking know. So anyway. Take this cigarette out of my mouth. Smells like candy. So, it definitely doesn't taste like black cherries. Set this down for a second. Well, the aftertaste, it's like a, it's almost like a burnt tire. But then you get the aftertaste of the cherry. I know the camera's over here and I keep looking this way. It's kind of like, if there is any cherry resemblance there, kind of tastes like somebody chewed up a bunch of cherries and diarrheaed it out in a fucking glass. It's got a lot of sugar in it too, so you really get that diarrhea flavor in your mouth. Whiskey flavored bourbons or whiskey flavored anything, they need to piss off with that. And it's not just them. Um, Crown Royal makes a great Crown Apple. Um, Jim Beam makes a great honey. But when you try to introduce whiskey and fruit at the same time, it's got that obnoxious sangria like diarrhea fruit bowl taste. It's not appealing in any way, shape, or form. I'm sure that there's probably 100 people on here who are like, "Fuck that, Bird Dog's the shit. I want to get buried with Bird Dog. That shit's my fucking homie," or some shit. I don't fucking know, but to me, it's just not desirable at all. It's like, let me take another sip. I'll set my cigarette down. Almost like a mouthwash consistency. And for a second, it almost tastes like it's about to taste like black licorice, but then it just changes into like a cherry cough drop. You know how cherry cough drops don't actually taste like cherry. Um, not not appealing. Man. I'm trying to think of what you could even mix this with. I mean, when it comes to Jim Beam, I will fucking down Jim Beam. Like it was nothing. This stuff's like just a thick ass fucking syrup. Yeah. I don't know. I'd rate it a 6 out of 10 for the effort and the cheapness, and it'll get you drunk. It's swallowable, so you know it gets at least above at least a 5. I've had some pretty nasty shit, and I'm a desperate motherfucker. Yeah, I'd give it a 6 out of 10. All right, guys. Peace.